What is up, y'all? So I'm making this shortly after the video with the Civic here, but as you know, I sold the Accord, my '08 Accord. I got for free off my dad because it was stuck in limp mode. Fixed it, bought some $100 coilovers off of Marketplace, threw it on the floor, threw some Lexus wheels on it, which y'all did not see. So I'll throw some pictures up of it. I got new headlights for it too, you know. And I threw it on Marketplace to see what I could trade it for and whatnot. Didn't end up trading it, ended up selling it. Got a decent chunk of change. And then the plan from there was going to be to save it. But I did not save it. So I picked this up a couple of days ago. So this is my 2000 Infiniti Q45. So it's a Y33 Q45 / Nissan Cima, Cima, I think it is, Cima. And yeah, I picked this guy up recently. One owner car, all original, other than it is on BC coilovers already. But it's just, matched with stock height. The dampening is all the way soft. But, yeah. Where's the... So, yeah, but this is a one owner, technically two now, because I bought it. But, it is a one owner car. They drove it off the showroom floor in, 99. And, yeah. Completely stock exhaust. The outside of the car is fucking phenomenal. You have your small spots here. That little guy that I gotta prep and clean up so nothing happens to it. Small little paint chips here, but not one dent. Little rock chips from up front. Yeah, not one dent, not one ding. It is a completely straight body. The interior is even in damn good condition. Dude, I've been looking for one of these for a minute because on my way to work one day, I was working an 8 to 5 shift at my job, and I saw one of these come by. It was lowered and it had an exhaust, and it went by, and I was like, I need to find me one of those. And so I've been looking, but everybody wants an arm and a leg, and they're clapped out or they're being parted out. Or it's the 02 to 05 version, and I don't really like those as much. So I was looking for a first gen or a second gen, what the Y33 I think it is, or would it be the G50? I think it's Y32 for the Cima and G50 for the Q45. I'm not too sure. I don't know much about them, to be honest with you, other than what I looked up when I was trying to find it. And I was looking for a couple of months. This one popped up. The ad wasn't the best. The pictures were taken off of a laptop screen. So they took a picture of a laptop that had pictures on it. And I was going to ignore it, but I was like, might as well go ahead and hit them up. Unfortunately, the carpets got dirty from my boots because this is the daily driver. So, yeah. Eventually, I got to clean those. I want to get the seat redone to fix all these little gashes and whatnot. But that's the only, and then that part in the center console. There's a little bit, but there's, other than that, this driver's seat obviously being the most worn. Dude, this car is immaculate. And what other damage was there? These two buttons are missing. And I'm trying to find this, screen system, whatever. And I just cannot find it. I cannot find this at all. So I'm probably going to be asked out. Look, it is a factory nav system, but I'm probably just asked out on this. Factory Bose system. The antenna still works on it. Where are my keys? I got my keys on it right now. But let me show you under the hood. So for those that don't know, these are V8. It's a 4.1, was the VH41DE motor. It's a 4.1 liter V8. Dual overhead cam. You see it's on BCs. It did have the like automatic dampening or adjustable ones, as you can. Where is it? Here's the little puck that did it and turned it. I wonder if I can get this to work in here. I'm gonna leave it alone, but it would be cool if I could. But let's tuck you back in. Yeah, when the previous owners went to go replace all the shocks and struts, they were, I think the factory stuff was like $1,500 a piece, and they were like, hell no, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna just drop the $1,500 on BCs. And they're max soft. I clicked these up a little bit, had like 3 clicks, but they're max soft. Cameras in the middle, stock height matched to stock height. So, but yeah, dude, this car is fucking phenomenal. When I say I love this car already, I love this car already. He even has the original Infiniti Bose CD holder, which I do have some CDs already in it. And then the disc changer, also in between. I went and grabbed my keys. But let's see. Unfortunately, the second I got it home, the N fell off and the F was already gone, so that kind of sucks. Ignore my work jacket and tools. It's got the 6-disc changer in the back. Still works. And I already have some CDs in it. The main one I listen to though is my Ride or Die Rough Riders, Ride or Die Volume 1. But yeah, dude, this shit is so sick. So sick. Click. Goes back in, does its thing. Decide to close. Alright, chilling. I gotta get used to closing the trunk like a normal human being because it's a soft closed trunk. Pulls it shut. Like, I'm not used to this, bro. The only issues it has. What did I do with my keys? I think I just put my keys in the trunk. Yeah, let's not do that. Let's not leave car keys in the trunk. It's a good thing the fucking door isn't closed. I need to get a spare key made. But only issues it has is the power steering pump winds, and the when it's cold, you gotta put it into 1 and 2 before you can put it into drive. But other than that, you can hear the pump whine. Ride or die, nigga! Yep, there it goes. But yeah, factory GPS works, though it doesn't work, but it does work. And I don't think there's any update for the thing. So at this point, 26 years later. But yeah, even the your luxury car, you got your sunshade, and that still works. Like, bro, this car is fucking. And if it wasn't for this pump, this car runs so quiet. It's weird. I'm not used to having a car that runs this damn quiet. But where's the fucking, I don't know what the hell I'm looking for. But yeah, it's phenomenal, bro. Just mutinous, bro. If it wasn't, once that whining goes away, you don't even know the car's running, like, at all. It's just silent. So yeah, I am very happy with this purchase. It is a high mile car. They drove it. It wasn't like garage kept. Well, it was garage kept, but it was also daily driven. So where's the mileage? If you can see that, it is at 283. I've already put a good couple of miles on it because it was 282 and some change, and I put maybe 100 miles on it already. But yeah, dude, I love this fucking car. So yeah, I do want to do some exhaust work on it, and I do want to lower it. It's not gonna be, I don't know, I'm probably gonna slam it on his nuts. I'm trying to find some wheels for it now. Something chrome or polished lip or something to put it on before I lower it, and just enjoy it as a nice comfortable couch right now. I want to do some exhaust work and whatnot, but overall, dude, this car is immaculate. Like paint wise, this door, for whatever reason, is the only door that's just kind of ashy, especially down here on the bottom half. It's like all the clear is coming off and whatnot. So eventually I want to get this cleaned up, like maybe sand it down, repaint it. Maybe it's just this door or this fin, like I don't know, but yeah, this is also the fastest I've ever got a car legal and put in my name. So yeah, like this I got this in August of 25, and I didn't get it in my name until January, like beginning of January. So that tells you, because most of the time I don't plan on holding on to cars, but I'm holding on to the Civic, and I really do plan on holding on to this. Just, dude, I spent so many months trying to find one in the first place, and I got a crazy deal on this one, so I really want to just hold on to this one, whether the transmission goes, because it's acting its age, really. But it still shifts fine. It's just when it's cold, it doesn't like to do what the hell it needs to do. So I don't even know if the last time the trans been serviced. So eventually I'm gonna go through and at least change the fluids on it and whatnot, change the filter and the gasket. But yeah, and that power steering pump, they say they changed it, but he may have not bled it well, or I don't know. I don't remember what the story was there, but it is what it is, you know. It doesn't steer hard or anything, it just whines. I'm also missing this guy. Pissing me off a little bit. Again, it reminds me of Prison Mike's Z. Fucking didn't have that damn corner for the longest. So again, there's one in pull apart near me. I gotta just thug out the cold and go up there one of these days before it's gone, and see if I can get that or some of the buttons on the inside. I doubt the car that's there is a factory nav, but you know, we'll see. I also gotta get the sunroof motor, because that isn't working at the moment, and the dimmer switch, because at night you cannot see, the backlighting doesn't work. So I'm pretty sure it's the probably an issue leading to the dimmer switch. Maybe this auto lamp, I don't know. But well, actually, what the fuck does this auto lamp even go? I don't even know what half this shit does. But yeah, bro, this shit, I love this car, dude. That's like an understatement at the moment. I'm so glad I got this. But yeah, I will be making videos on this car. I will start back on this car because I got some parts coming in to bring some camber arms for the rear. I need to get some for the front, and I got some torque mounts. I mentioned in the other video, but I got some torque mounts on the way from True Heart, and they're the solid billet ones. And if I can see if those work, those, and yeah. So but yeah, I'm gonna leave y'all off here. Appreciate y'all checking it out. Stay tuned for more what I do to this, more what I do to this. We'll see how long I keep these since I go through cars like a lunatic. But yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.